Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and one of the new features that we talked today is something that we need to see in action yet, but it is apparently implemented in the May 2019 update, or version 1903. So the May 2019 update has a feature that automatically rolls back any updates that are problematic. So we hear from time to time, and it's quite obvious that we actually hear it quite often. Cumulative update pops up, installs on the PC, and then you get the famous story of someone saying, well, after that update, my PC doesn't start anymore. Well, in the Windows updates, when a update is going to actually be applied, if your PC doesn't start again after a couple of tries of restarting, so that means, for example, if your PC freezes, well, you might shut it down by the power button and so on. What it actually is supposed to do is look at if, what update installed recently, if an update did install recently. It will actually remove it, roll you back to where you were before, and keep it out of the install for 30 days. So this is apparently implemented. Now, I haven't yet seen anybody that has this happen and could tell me that their PC did roll back automatically and that the update was pushed aside for 30 days. And the 30 days is chosen because if a buggy update actually creates a problem, it gives time for your that 30 days gives time for another fix or a different cumulative update that will actually make that update go through, or maybe just an update for that, a fix for that update. So it's interesting. I, just have yet to see somebody that it's happening. And one of the things for sure is that it's not a bad idea. Lots of changes in the Windows update. So I think this is another one of those interesting ideas. Now the thing is does it work, and does it work well is a different story. Because every time there's a cumulative update, you get a certain number of people that have some issues. Now, if that does work and rolls you back automatically and your PC comes back to life, I think it's a win-win situation. It's just to see that we don't have any means to really see the implementation right now of this, but hopefully it does work. So that's another new feature of the May 2019 update. Another reason maybe why you want to move to the May 2019 update. And actually I'll have a video today of why, if you're on an older version, maybe this is the version you need to get before you actually decide to stay put on updates, thanks to the fact that future updates will not be pushed anymore. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.